Are you looking to send a deposit on Housecall Pro but aren't sure where to start? In this quick Housecall Pro explanation, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can get up and running quickly, even if you're new to the platform. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can access Housecall Pro for completely free with exclusive bonuses through the link below. First, let's talk about what Housecall Pro is. It's an all-in-one software solution designed to help service professionals manage their business, from scheduling appointments to accepting payments and sending invoices. If you're using Housecall Pro to streamline your operations, knowing how to send a deposit is an important step, especially when booking jobs that require upfront payment. Now, let's jump into the process. To send a deposit on Housecall Pro, you need to first ensure that your client has a job scheduled. Once that's done, you'll want to navigate to the job details page. From here, you'll see an option to add a payment. Select the Add Payment button and you'll be prompted with different payment types. You'll choose the deposit option and enter the amount you want to request. This could be a fixed percentage of the total price or a flat amount depending on how you've set up your pricing structure. Once you've entered the deposit amount, Housecall Pro makes it easy to select your payment method. Whether you want to charge through a credit card, bank transfer, or another method you've set up with the platform, everything is integrated seamlessly. The client will then receive an invoice with the deposit request and they can easily pay through the link provided. Housecall Pro offers flexibility when it comes to deposits, which is great for businesses that handle different types of jobs, from one-time services to ongoing projects. You can even set up recurring payments or charge deposits for specific tasks, allowing you to customize your payment structure to meet your business's needs. What's really powerful about Housecall Pro is that it integrates with your calendar and job management system, making it easy to see which clients have paid their deposits and which ones are still pending. This means no more manual tracking, everything is done automatically, and you can stay on top of your finances without a hitch. Now, as promised, here's something that could be a game changer for your business. If you've been considering using Housecall Pro, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. By clicking the link in the description below, you can access Housecall Pro for free, along with additional perks that will help you make the most out of this powerful software. That's it for how to send a deposit on Housecall Pro. Simple, right? Just follow these steps and you'll be all set to manage your client payments more efficiently than ever before. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and bonus offer. You don't want to miss this.